Tiger style.
Tiger style. Yo. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. There's no place to hide once I step inside the room. Dr. Doom, prepare for the boom. Bam! Oh man, I slam. Damn, I scream like Tarzan. I be tossing and forcing, my style is awesome.
How are we feeling?
Oh, we're feeling pretty good. It's a good day. Dirt's really good. We're gonna go out, have a good time, do some shredding for our good pal Kano that is no longer with us. So it's a good day. Just a little lube so she don't bind up. Fuel in the body, some pure H2O. None of that Gatorade shit.
Couldn't find a dirtier one?
The needle to the groove, I get screwed and I'm forced to fuck it up. My style carries like a pickup truck. Cross the clear blue yonder. See, the China Sea, I slam tracks like quarterback sacks from LT. Now I try and test the rebel INS. Bless since the birth, I earth slam your best. Cause I bake the cake, then take the cake and eat it too with my crew while we head state to state. Now if you want beef, then bring the buckets. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. Straight from the motherfucking slum that's busted. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. Step up, boy. Represent. Chop his head off, dead.
The map will come out tomorrow. The house get busy, bizarro, flow with more afro than Rollo. Coming to a fork in the road, which way to go? Just follow. Method's the legend, niggas is sleepy hollow. In fact, I'm a hard act to follow. I dealt for Dolo, Bogart coming on through. Niggas is like, oh my God, not you. Yes, I come to get a slice of the pumpkin, the pie. Rather do than die. Check my flavor, coming from the RZA with the show for the razor. Who make me reminisce true like deja vu? I'm rubber, niggas it's like glue. Whatever you say, rubs off me, sticks to you.
Tiger style. Tiger style.
Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. 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 Yeah, representing Brooklyn, Queens, Long Island, Manhattan, Bronx, the rugged lands of Shaolin. Niggas from Virginia, Atlanta, our boys in Ohio, coming through with the crazy wyo. Yo, niggas from the source, my man Kelly Wu from the Gavin, Will Strickland, Jason Slayton, yeah, true. My nigga Travis going down, boy. We ain't nothing to fuck with. The whole Texas mob, the Chicago mob, niggas from Detroit, fucking California squadron, coming through, know what I'm saying? The whole fucking West Coast, to the whole East, niggas from DC, down to Maryland, all the way over near Morgan State. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to fuck with. All over the whole fucking globe, coming through, boy. Peace to the fucking Zulu Nation, peace to all the gods and the earth. Word is born.